If you've recently purchased an axleWEIGhr system or are considering, in this video we're taking a look at how to lift the Weighbridge out of the pit for cleaning or for troubleshooting. If you already own an axleWEIGhr, this video will be helpful to you. Please stay tuned for more information. Really just a few tools are needed. A 7/16 wrench is used to remove the junction box cover, and you'll also need a wrench to remove the ground straps as well. It's important to remove the home run cable, or the black M12 cable that runs from the controller to the J-box. And so here we're going to disconnect the black M12 cable. Now we can move on to disconnecting the 4 ground straps. You'll need to pop 4 cover plates that are above each load cell. You'll have a nut that secures a ground braid strap, so you'll need to disconnect that nut, set it aside, don't lose it, and once you have your ground braid strap disconnected, you can fold it over to the side as shown. Next, we'll move on to lifting the Weighbridge. So you'll find these cover plates. You'll need to pop up both cover plates to expose the lifting hooks. At this point, chains can be connected at the 2 lifting points, and using a forklift or other means, it can be lifted out of the pit. It would be wise to have a second person help for guiding the unit straight up and out. When you're done lifting it, it would be also good to set it on cribbing if you need to do any sort of cleaning or maintenance on the scale.